Hey, what's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a 21 GT500. It's going to be a short video. We're going to watch a dyno pull laying down over 1,000 real horsepower. Of course, we're going to tell you how we got there. We'll go down and take a look. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, so what did it take to get there? Well, I'm going to show you, and then of course you email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's this cost to get built? I will put links in the description with more info on this car. But 21 GT500, it's killer, making 1,000 real horsepower. This is an E85 car, so that's a key right there. A Kong factory ported supercharger. We have the big VMP throttle body, GLT air induction system, and a 2.4 pulley. But not stop there. A set of Kooks long tube headers and a Borla attack exhaust system. Pretty much the only mods on this car right here. It's pretty crazy anymore. You can buy a car like this, just buy those parts and kill over 1,000 on the dyno. Speaking of that, check out this dyno pull. All right, before we look at these numbers, a lot of you might be wondering about fuel system. Well, you can't run the factory, stock injectors, trying to lay down 1,000 real horsepower like this. So in this car right here, we have a set of ID 1300. Want to run a booster pump? You could run a larger injector than that, something like a 1700. But Doug, take a look. 1,027 real horsepower, about 7,800 RPM, DynoJet SAE. Torque comes in stellar, 745, 5,700. Smooth graph all the way across the board. The torque hangs in there. Awesome. All the way across the board. So, hey, like I said, it's a short video. Just telling you what you put on a 500 to make 1,000. But take a look. Carbon fiber wheels. I love this car. And if you've never had the opportunity to drive one of these new GT500s, I suggest you try to get the opportunity to do that because they are sick on the street. So I'm Brent. We're in Indiana. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And like I said before, quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? Thanks so much for watching.